Hello guys, this is the video about one of our most popular model BSA15H. This is also touch screen panel, fixed speed machine. Okay, the same you can see the detachable panel. This is a standard with us, and same the 20 bar pressure tested cooler, and same the direct drive machine. You can see here there is no flexible pipe here. This is our standard model. All our parameters are standard for VFD, for fixed speed, every model. You can see here. Okay, and the same panel, all panels, the stuffing for the soundproofing. You can see here. This is very popular for laser cutting machine, and we have supplied around 700 machines for this particular segment here in North India. Thank you.